230 grain, 45 gold dot hollow point. Just so everybody's clear, so basically this is what we use for practice and what we use for duty in our guns here in Fort Worth. Eyes and hands in place. Line cut. What up? Let's go.
The bigger bulge is the hollow point. Yeah.
Oh, that's what that is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one doesn't have much of a bulge.
I didn't make any attention to that yet. Was that the plus P?
This is the hollow point. This is the ball, and this is hollow point, and this is ball ammo 40.
Put the ball on top on every round.
Did you? Okay.
And on the next 5 rounds.
The ball and the hollow, is it pretty much the same amount of powder and all that?
No,
or
so in the 9mm, it's a plus P round.
it's a plus P. The hollow point is. There's the reason why right there. It's more of it's because the plus P. Yeah, it gets a lot of velocity behind it.
Put Tom up on a ladder and change the angle into that window a little bit.